Mm, yeah, yeah, yeah. Mm, I had a dream about you. You were right in front of me.
Yebo sanibonani igama umusa waNkosi umusa weNkosi inkosi uDlamini wakunene.
Igama lami uSimphiwe Mthiyane. I am what am I? Oh mina usingaye.
Ngiqhamuka le Mpumalanga eMalahleni.
The big day today. Amalobola aletha abantu bakaNkosi. They coming from Witbank but originally from Nelspruit, the Swatis.
Ilanga elikhulu namuhla especially for mina specifically because sesifike la kwaNongoma so akubuhlobo.
And yeah, we're excited, we're looking forward to this. I'm excited personally. I'm very happy and I think my prayer is just for everything to go well. For God to be with my family and his family as we start our negotiations.
Khona imbali sengibonile la kwaNongoma ekumele sithathe sibuyele nayo lekhaya. So I hope things will go well. It's time for the negotiations. My uncles are ready. I hope her side of the family is ready as well. But I hope it's a great day. I hope akusilanga elide ba negotiate kahle. Singahluphani futhi but it should go well. Yabo.
And really just to be a celebration for both Umndeni yethu. I think it's been a while when we come together as a family just for something good and to celebrate. So I think I'm excited about that. I'm looking forward to this new chapter of my life with him, Musa Nkosi, and also with just making sure that our families become one. So that's what today is all about. It's about Amalobola, the cows are coming, we'll be feasting, we'll be celebrating. So yeah, that's all I have to say about the day.